Welcome back. And Maggie is having a drink of water. Yay! I will not be weighing the kittens today. They're all over a pound and gaining. So I weigh them every other day unless they lose weight. One, two, three, four, five. Okay, everyone's accounted for. Mom's polishing off some wet food in a bowl just behind the cam, or beside it. You can probably hear her smacking. Hey, Akira. Hey, Magster. Did you step in the water bowl again? It's too crowded without the food bowl just yet. You jumped down from this earlier quite well. You want to try the shoulders? Okay, Kang's done. You ready? Was that the yummies? Did you have yummies? Don't worry, Marge. You'll be able to finish this bowl. The kittens are eating more, but they're not eating the whole bowl yet. Or a whole can. Stop by Fred Meyer's to look for light pucks to put inside here, motion sensing ones, but they didn't have any the one I stopped at. I'll check out another one later. Hello, Patty. You hungry? don't want to miss all the food. Hey, you did good there, Marge. You ate the whole bowl. Maggie's stalking Mama's tail. Here we go. Roughed it up for her. Are you trying to disassemble my fence? Mom's going in the box. Let's see what she does. She had soft stool yesterday. Or last night. Okay, she's pooping. She didn't have diarrhea, but she had soft stool. That looks better. Not great, but better. That's where she digs a hole all the way to the bottom, stands in the hole, and then poops on the side of the hole. Thankfully, there is the air freshener that I have in here is blowing air that way, and it's between the box and me, so it usually spares me the worst of it. Well, Patty's hungry. Is that good there, Patty? Yes. Hold on. Kittens are still eating. You see Mama there, Kang? Huh? Nope, don't jump over yet. I'm going to pet you first. I used to have full-length cardboard on the fences, but then I had a mama cat that got nervous because she couldn't see on the other side of the fence, so I went to half heights. Almost half heights. Is that good there, Patty? Huh? What I'm going to get is motion sensing light pucks. Put it inside of here as a prototype to see how it does. That way when the kittens are playing in there, you can see. When they're sleeping and not moving, then the light goes off. We should help the battery life. This has been dubbed by viewers as the cat mess tree, or kit mess tree. I'm glad that these guys were able to be rescued, and Marge was able to give birth and for Purrfect Pals. But she gave birth to them in the wild. I think maybe Maggie and Mo would have had the best chance to survive. The other ones probably would not have. Marge is way underweight to begin with. She's holding steady now with extra food. But she wouldn't have this food source if she was out still astray. It's normal for mama cats to lose weight while they're nursing. And she lost a pound. Almost a pound. She lost about a pound and gained some of it back. Marge's own health would have been at risk if she was still astray. Oh, but since somebody took her to Purrfect Pals, or to a local average shelter, and Purrfect Pals took her from there, they all got to only know safety, no worries of the wild, no idea how cold it is outside. You did good there, Marge. Real good. There's Patty. You're getting better at that, Marge. Total crab. Patty had a big old hissy fit yesterday, which was captured on for YouTube. I posted it on the Critter Room on Facebook. She's playing with one of the balls, and Maggie jumped down and spooked her, and she went into a big old hissy fit and stayed pissy for a while.
I'm not going to be on camera.
Oh, you're going out on a date.
Not today.
Okay.
Oh, sorry, Mama.
Are you going to over there?
Not today.
Okay.
Hey, Mama. Your screen.
Zoom.
Oh, dear.
Remember, if you do come in here to visit the kittens, never cross the fence without holding on to something.
Get it. Get the green ball. The one in the cubby has the yellow ball. He's like, mine, my precious.
Now, if you see that one of the kittens get the spring stuck on their leg or paw, don't freak out. There's no way it can hurt them. It's okay, Kang. It's like you're a stranger. Stranger danger.
He's like, no, this is my spot. I wouldn't go in on that end.
Okay, I'm going to step out now, get something to eat. The kitten should rampage quite nicely for you.
Here, Mama.
Enjoy the kittens. Have a nice day.